Good evening in the US. Are everything's good?
Yeah.
Why so quiet? Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you hungry?
Yes.
There you go. By the way, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jamon, all the way from the Philippines. Whether you like it or not, I will be your fake Japanese waiter for this time. Okay? So here in Teppanyaki, we have a 3 different sets menu. We have Katsana, Sencho, and Shogun. The sushi sashimi, the salad, and the soup is just the same. Okay? The only difference is the main courses. So if you're going to use the Katsana, the first one on the menu, it's automatic. You'll get seabass and chicken. If you're going to use Sencho, the middle one, you'll get salmon, tiger prawns, and sirloin. But of course, if you want to upgrade your experience, if you want lobster, scallops, butterfish and fillet, then you can go for the Shogun. For those dining with us with the package, you are entitled for the Katsana and Sencho, the first one and the middle one. If you want to upgrade for the Shogun, just additional $20 and then you can go for the Shogun, okay? Do you have any questions during the menu? Alright, so the first thing is, I will serve your sushi sashimi, your soup and salad, and then our chef will start to cook in front of you your first seafood main course. After that, you will cook your fried rice, you will cook your meat, and at the end, you'll having a dessert with me. Okay, all good?
Good.
And regarding the drinks package, only Easy Plus and Premium is covered into specialty restaurant. The rest will be an extra charge. Okay, all good?
Yep.
Alright, I think everybody's ready.
Teppanyaki cook for let's start. It is celebrating birthday, anniversary, birthday. Let's start the Japanese music. If you'll be my girl, happy anniversary to you. Happy anniversary to you.
You gotta cover it all.
Japanese MSC. Japanese barbecue. Just do it.
sir. We get fish too. We get fish too.
I didn't know.
We do that. Yep. Move it, move it. Move it. Move it.
I believe I can fly.
Yes, close your eyes. Alright, close your eyes or no cheating.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, that's all for tonight. Thank you for
Thank
coming.
you.
Thank you.